Hello Dad, good afternoon from the Philippines. This is my video message for you Dad. Look at my face Dad, and look at my eyes. Look at my eyes, oh. I'm so very stressed because of my financial problem. That I have a general concern and general problem if my financial, so that I don't have any source. Only God only Jesus my source. But my problem now is I have a lot of problem for my loan, my credits, my rent in my house, water, billing, food, shelter, and my family. And everything. And this is time of that my accident. My accident. Accident. During the accident. So that I need your help. I need your help in terms of financial, in terms of money, in terms of financial, in terms of money. That I need your help. I hope that you will respond in my video message. Thank you so much Dad, and God bless.